Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today I'm going over a completion of a birthday gift. I have a completion. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. It is a birthday gift that I got from a really good friend of mine, someone I have known since 1994. Yep, that means we're both old. That's what that means. I did get her into diamond art. She enjoys it. And she got me a canvas. And it is done. And I spruced it up. There it is. It says Faith. Came out really good. What I did was I made the whole word Faith with ABs, white ABs. And then I sprinkled some pink ABs throughout the canvas. I don't know if you can see the shine, but it really does look good. You can see it a little bit in the faith. Have faith. It's there. You should always have faith. Always have faith. Because the good Lord will take care of you if you let him. And there is a little red gem that I put in to dot the I. I mean, why not, right? And I think I see a drill that needs help. Okay, yeah. So this canvas has 18 colors in it. We'll say 19 because I added the bling and then one special drill. This canvas took me 5 days to complete because this was not the only thing I worked on. So I have my little thumbnail with the color grid and the DMC number. So this is going to go in my book. I made a copy of it so I wouldn't have to cut the canvas. I tried cutting a canvas once and it didn't work too well. This is my spare drills for the canvas. I took 2 or 3 of each color, put it in a baggie, and it's going to be taped on a page in my logbook so that I have them in case. This here is damaged drills. Now, if you look, that's not really damaged, but it doesn't belong in the canvas. So I just thought that was unique. You know, I've seen some odd things, but I've never seen a gem mistakenly included in regular drills. But here is that right there is one drill. And then you got this one. Looks like a half moon. Can you see him right there? He looks like a half moon, like a D. So that was some of my damaged. And of course, the black drills had a lot of damage. Some of them I saved, some I did not. I was outside in the yard when I did most of this. And I didn't have my trash container out there, so I just got rid of them. I mean, it's trash. So those aren't too bad. I don't think, I mean, like I've always said, it doesn't really matter how much damage drills, how much trash you get, as long as you have enough for the canvas. And I did. I had plenty. I had plenty. So this is going to go into my book. And I think I'm going to put it, just kidding. Let me see if I can put it on the back of something. I can. I'm going to put it in the back of this because this is not really in date order. So this is going to be called Faith. And I'm going to call it Budget Friendly from Donna. Donna B. It has, what did I say? 18 colors. 18 colors. Excuse me. Plus 1 AB plus 1 special drill. I started this. Let's see, today is May 8th. I think I started it on Sunday. And that would be 8, 7, 6, May 4th. And this I finished May 8th. And it's a nice, quick project. I like when I have nice, quick projects, you know. It just gives you a quick finish. Another one for the book, you know, one for the book. And I will tape this. Spare drills, and then trash. Come on, go down. Come on, trash. Really wasn't a lot. And I'll be able to figure out which one's trash and which one's spare. I mean, okay. Now I'm going to write what I did. The word faith is all white ABs, number 141. And then I did 1 special red gem. It was fun. Nice, fun picture. So that's what I will put in my book. Another one for the book. Now, the quality of the drills, wasn't really happy about it. They weren't that good. So I am not saving them. I'm not saving them. But the picture looks good. It looks good. So I am going to do the dark. I'll show you what I'm doing with it. And they're not horribly dark, but in my book, they're considered dark. And I'll show you. And I think that's all I'm going to put right now. I have these. This one's going to be a dark, and this one will be light colors. So I'm making these for the drills that I am not saving. And I think I'm going to change trays and use this one. Okay, got to stand that up. Let me get more dark. Dark. Some of you are probably saying, I'm very proud of you, Nancy, for getting rid of the drills. I'm proud of me too. Yep, I am proud of me. So these are all going to go in the light, except this one. I don't need all of these. I don't know why. I got 2 of these, but I got 2. Don't need all of them. So they're going to be in here. Whoops. Okay. There we go. I think when I'm done, I'm going to change this, switch this top out for something. I don't know what, but I can't dump it upside down. You see that? That's not closed. I think I might put hot glue in the top of that when I'm done, if I use this top. I'm not sure. So the next one is the light. Okay, so let's dump our light one. I really like the light one. I'm into light colors, though. Those of you who know, know. Okay, let me put that over there while we empty the other ones. Just going to be a quick video to show you how I kit down this budget-friendly. Donna, if you're watching, I enjoyed the canvas, but I'm not saving the drills. So I'm not throwing them away, but they are going to go into an ornament. Who knows? You might get one for Christmas. Okay. And now we need the last bunch, which is all these white. I've got tons of 5200, which is what this is. I have tons. So I don't need these. Like I said, these drills were not very good. And I didn't really use a lot of them because I replaced it with ABs. This was all supposed to go in there with this, all these whites was supposed to be, some of them were supposed to be the word faith. So these are my 2 bulbs. This is the light one, and this is the dark one. Whoops. Nope, nothing fell out. And these are my empty containers. I don't even know what these are called. We found them in the bin store when I first started doing diamond painting. And I don't know what they are. So I'm trying to dump that in there. Can I do it? That one. Ooh, ooh. Oh, my phone is going off. Because it's not with me. It keeps track of my blood sugar and it's not near me. So it's telling me you are disconnected from the world. You have to get back here. I did it. I got them all in there. Thank you, Donna, for this wonderful gift. I'm going to get a frame for it. Faith. Remember, everyone, have faith and be kind to everyone you meet.